Hey everyone, and welcome back to A Warrior's Garden. I'm glad you're here with me today, because today we're going to discuss raised beds. It's springtime in Arizona. Actually, it's technically still winter if you look at the calendar, but we're in our mid-70s. So this is a great time for us to plant, and it's a great time to get your raised beds organized. I actually built these raised beds not quite a year ago, but you can see in these pictures how they've advanced over this last year and have become a beautiful center point of my garden. I spent a little bit more money on these raised beds than probably I would have normally, except that I wanted these ones to be aesthetically pleasing to me. So this is the route I took in building them. As you can see, I use these castle blocks. I got these from the local big box hardware store, along with 2x6 redwood planks, and cut them to fit. They fit perfectly, and then I used rebar to tack them down to the ground, and in between the blocks I used construction adhesive to keep the blocks from slipping on top of each other. I'm really happy how they turned out. I had some learning lessons along with it, but in the next little bit here I'll show you step by step the process I took to create these raised beds, redwood raised beds if you like. But here is the raised bed. You can see right here how I'm laying it out with the castle blocks, or whatever they're called. And it's going to be 4 feet in between the blocks by 3 feet here. Yeah, and I decided to go with these middle blocks simply because I was afraid that the 2x6s, even though they're redwood 2x6s, that eventually they would bow out. So that's why we've got the middle blocks there. I'm really hoping it works out. If you guys have any suggestions or ideas, please let me know. And the water, you can see back there's a black tubing and it runs around here. That's my drip system. I'm gonna actually tee it and run one up here and run drip emitters up under and into the bed.